Today I'm going to show you how to make a roadmap in Office Timeline. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. Now there are many ways to make a roadmap within Office Timeline, and what you're going to do here first of all is you're going to go ahead to Office Timeline over here, and you can actually import from Microsoft Excel. So if that's where you're keeping your data, or that's where you're managing your data, you're going to go up here to Import Export, and then you're going to hit import. Now, the very important thing is when you're in Excel and you're creating this data sheet, you need to make sure that everything is within the correct format. So you need to have no line spaces or line breaks in between your header as well as the data. And you need to make sure that the start date, end date is in the correct format. So you need to just go down to Format Cells, make sure that it's in the correct format. What you want to do from here is go over to the top right hand side. Now I'm just going to close this, and you're going to go on the left, you're going to say File, Save As, and now you can actually save your roadmap. Now I'm using the Microsoft Office browser version. So if you're doing this and you'll save your roadmap to your computer, you're going to go over to PowerPoint, and this is where you'll end up. You're going to go to Office Timeline and Import. We're going to go and click on Import, and from Import you will say Microsoft Excel, and from here you will choose the document that you would like to upload. Okay, so it's this one over here. We've just saved it in Excel. And this part over here, you need to select your worksheet. So let's go sheet over here. And then it asks, because it's auto detected your table header, which is at this point incorrect. So we want to select this one over here. And we're going to go over to the right hand side. We're going to say next. And over here, you just need to map your columns. And this is the part where your date format and your data formatting is actually in the correct format. So if you're saying this is percentages, it actually needs to be in a percentage form, and your dates need to be in the correct date format. You're going to go ahead and say next. Now this part over here, you'll see these are all the rows that you are going to import. You can just click the very top one, it'll select all of them. And if you click on import over here, it says that this is a pro edition feature. Okay, but once you're done, and you do have the pro version, once you're done here, you will get your roadmap in PowerPoint, and this is more or less what it could look like depending on what your data looks like. Now once you're here, you can go over to Office Timeline on your ribbon, and down here to the left to templates, and look for Office Timeline templates, and here you can actually look through the templates that Office Timeline has. So you can look through all of these over here and choose from here. Now again, it is a pro feature, but you can choose a template that suits your needs, and then on the actual roadmap itself, you can go ahead and click on any one of the elements. You can edit it, you can right click it as well, and you'll now be able to go down to Format Text Effects or Format Shape, and you'll get this section over here on the right hand side where you can go ahead and change all the formatting so that it looks more according to what you would like it to look like.